A poncho. What do we think of that, guys? Let's have a look, shall we? Hey everybody, welcome back to I'll See You Next Tuesday. We have something a bit different today. It's that well-known truck from JJRC, the Transporter-6. Emphasis on the tur. So this is an unboxing today, so if we crack on and go open.
Hang on. We just got to go.
Oh, okay.
Lights on it, concealed battery, it's 4-wheel drive, and these interesting shock absorbers.
They look like moose antlers.
And you've also got speed conversion on it, apparently. So can't wait to find out what that means. And just in case you were a bit unsure on how the truck worked.
That's the direction they go when it goes forward. This is coming from AliExpress today. Had a few bits and bobs from them. Thought this would be something a bit different, so let's crack on and have a look, shall we? Yeah.
To be fair,
It's taped. It's taped. To be fair, what?
that is some impressive packaging for a truck this cheap.
It is, yeah.
Well packaged.
Tell you what, I quite like the look of that. You have to admit, that's pretty cool.
Footballs aren't very good.
Would you have said it's 110 though?
No. It's what, 112
Yeah,
maybe
12.
at a push.
112 to 110, maybe 111. That is cool. Lost a pinky. Well, you know how it is.
We have flashing at the back.
Yeah, that's because the controller's not on. It's the same as the other one. Let's have a look. We've got any batteries in this one?
These footwells are not very deep. You're gonna have to amputate the driver.
I hope do that with everybody else in the car.
So what do you reckon, James? It looks a lot like the WPR.
I like it.
That looks a lot like the WPR. Grab out again. It's the same setup, just marginally bigger.
Oh, there we go. Lights are on there.
There's no shocks on this one either. They used
They were the
springs.
yeah, leaf springs. Ready? With your fingers. Ooh. It's got progressive steering as well, look.
That throttle.
Yeah.
That's impressive. That's quite fast as well.
Tell you what, I'm quite... Even from a model point of view, where you could probably make this look quite scale. Bit of a shelf queen. A poncho. What do we think of that, guys? Let's have a look, shall we?
It looks more like a shopping bag, to be honest.
Shopping.
It does, look at that.
let's have a
Sticky
look.
groceries in there.
Oh, crap! Ow!
That's right. I do groceries.
So I'm assuming that will go on there. That will go on there. 1, 2. Let's see, I'm counting all up.
Does that count as counting? You look like struggling with this.
No, I never struggle with anything. Maybe. Slips it straight in there. There we go. Right.
I'm going to say it doesn't quite sit like that.
I just give it a back wing. Look at that. Makes it go faster. Look.
Wow.
Oh, that's brilliant.
You're a brain fart.
There we go. Now that is as good as we're getting, guys. But to be fair, that it's not like, I mean, they were whacking them out, drawing the wall, thinking, right, let's make this as beautiful as possible, eh?
That looks like a 4-year-old's badly fitting sun hat.
I like it without the roof, personally. But it adds a little bit extra, I guess. I mean, people want to go camping, they want to take their own in, don't they? I just don't know whether it's quite 110. I know they were small in real life. I mean...
Let's put it next to the one.
Well, yeah. See, no, I can't see it. It's definitely more of a 112, isn't it?
114.
I don't know whether it'd be that small, do you?
Oh, I don't know. It's not much bigger than the WPR.